still struggling. The story of a St. Catherine Basic School that's managed to stay afloat during the COVID-19 pandemic and is still making improvements. The school is hoping to return to face-to-face classes in the new school year. Krista Campbell has that story.
The struggles to keep the doors open at Silverstone Basic School in Portmore St. Catherine are very much the same at other learning institutions across Jamaica. 210 students and 15 teachers are engaged in virtual classes here, but Principal Asana Downer says things are not that bad.
The children are online and they are doing their online classes. Some of them are enjoying it, they are learning, but we have a few that are struggling and we are trying to meet them as best as we possibly can.
Parents still pay the tuition, but with no additional revenue from extracurricular activities, it's a struggle to keep persons on staff. All 5 support staff have been let go, but the academic staff are still able to work.
Not their full salary, but we are able to give them a stipend at the end of each month.
The Education Ministry also pays teachers a monthly subsidy, but the school has to find its own way to meet operational expenses. The principal says she's behind on the water bill.
We had a fundraising activity which took the form of a barbecue in this year, and that's how we are able to make payments like with our electricity bill and other amenities.
She says parents helped the school meet all the COVID regulations so it could resume physical classes in February.
We ensure that the classrooms, we put in table partitions for added protection so that when the students are here, they don't share items because we have that partition on the table, so each child would be in their own space. We also bought a sanitizing machine that we use each evening to sanitize the classrooms to ensure that they are sanitized enough for the students to come in the following morning.
Now, Ms. Downer is anxiously awaiting the nod to reopen for face-to-face learning in September, and she says students will be even safer. Through the help of local political representatives, owner of a neighboring call center, Gordon Tawani, donated money to upgrade the school's quadrangle where students often play.
Most of the time when children fall, they get bruises, and we really wanted to get that area repaved so we can have a smooth area so the students can be safer on the compound.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.